Look, the casino dice, these are the 20 millimeter dice. Here you can see 16 millimeter, 14, 12 millimeters for Barboot, for 7-Eleven. These are the CeeLo dice. Have a look. All these kind of dice that you see here with serial number are rigged dice. So what we will do right now, we will test this juice board. This is a giant juice board to play Barboot, to play 7-Eleven and CeeLo. So Barboot with 2 dice, 7-Eleven with 2 dice, or CeeLo with 3 dice. In this case, we will use the 5/8 inch dice, 16 millimeter dice, translucent dice, rigged dice with this remote control. The entire table is live area. So have a look, it's a very big table. Doesn't matter who dropped the dice, how they drop the dice. Everything is okay. It will come, in this case, from A and B. We will make the point. So A, if I press, it will come always 6, 9, and 10. And on B, it's coming 4, 5, and 8. So never 7, never 11. So let's test A, 6, 9, 10. To bring the point, never 7, never 11. So A, long pressing. So we'll have the point. It's a 5 ace, means it's a 6. We have the point a 6. I will bring it here. Good. So now we try to repeat the shot. In this case, the entire table is rigged, so it doesn't matter who dropped. Always, if I press A, I will bring 6, 9, 10. So we try to make the point. Voila. 5 ace. Have a look, come closer. It's not a rush. So we have a winner. 6. Now we will press B. B means 4, 5, 8. B. Long pressing B. The entire table. We have a 5. 3 deuce. 3, 2. Means 5. One more time. We'll try to bring 5. 3, 2. 3 deuce. 5. So we have the point. So doesn't matter who dropped the dice. You see, we will never bring 7. Never bring 7 the entire table. This is the remote control. This is the live area. You can play any game you want with all this kind of rigged dice from the table. Around the table, nothing is suspicious. Nobody can catch something. All these kind of items, we make it here in Romania and we export in Europe, we export in America. We can make any shape you want for the table, round, rectangular, square. We can put the juice in the floor, the juice in the table. We can make any kind of dice, solid dice, transparent dice, translucent dice, and so on. So everything is made here in Romania for American market or for European market. That's all.